Good morning, student. This is FY BSc Physics, semester second, Electricity and Magnetism, paper second. I am Dr. Ravindra Talwari, Department of Physics, KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. The next chapter is chapter fourth is magnetostatics. Okay. First of all, what is by magnetization? A charged object produces an electric field at all points in space. In a similar manner, a bar magnet is a source of magnetic field. The space around the bar magnet is called magnetic field, in which force will act on other bar magnet when placed in the field. This is the magnetization. Unlike electric charges, which can be isolated, the two magnetic poles always comes in a pair. Which poles? First one is north pole and second one is south pole. The poles are called north poles and south pole. The two ways to create magnetic field. There are two ways how to create magnetic field. First one is moving electric charged particle creates magnetic field, and second one is elementary particles such as protons, neutrons and electrons have intrinsic magnets called magnetic moment, also create magnetic field. The magnetic field is expressed in terms of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines were introduced by Michael Faraday in 1791 to 1867, who named them lines of forces, like electric field. We can draw these lines so that the lines at any point is tangent to magnetic field vector B as shown in figure 1. This is the figure 1. These are the magnetic fields. They starts with north pole and ends with south pole. Goes to this direction, north to south. These are the magnetic field. And these are the bar magnet. There are two poles, south pole and north pole. The lines start with north pole and end with south pole. From figure, at each point the magnetic field vector B is tangent of the field lines. Okay. Second one is the spacing of the lines represent magnitude of B, vector B. More density field lines are packed indicates stronger field at the point. If field lines are far apart, the field magnitude is small, as shown in figure 1. These lines are the more dense and then disperse the maximum distance. Then third one is at each point the field lines indicates the same direction as magnetic compass would indicate. Magnetic compass means there are two poles, north and south. Okay. Then fourth one is magnetic field lines do not intersect, means do not mix with each other. They point away from the north pole and point towards the south pole. We have to earlier says that the line starts with north pole and point out to south pole. The magnetic field lines are not lines of forces because unlike electric field lines, they do not point in the direction of the force on a charge. In figure 2 shows the magnetic field lines produces several sources of magnetic field. There are so many sources of magnetic field. We are shown in figure 2. Figure 2a, this figure, this is a figure, magnetic field as a C-shaped magnet. Okay, this is figure 2a. Between flat and parallel magnetic poles of C-shaped magnet. How to call C-shape? Because their shape is C letter. C-shaped magnet, the magnetic field is nearly uniform. The field lines are approximately straight, parallel and equally spaced between, showing the magnetic field in this region is uniform. This is C-shaped magnetic field. These are the some magnetic fields. First one is magnetic field of C-shaped magnet. Second one is magnetic field of straight current carrying wire. Third one is magnetic field current carrying loop, and last one is magnetic field of a solenoid. We have to describe one by one. Okay. Then figure 2b shows magnetic field lines of a straight current carrying wire. Note that to represent a field coming out of our of or going into the paper, we use dots and cross respectively as shown in figure this. These are the dots and these are the crosses. Okay. Then figure 2c represents magnetic field lines current carrying loop. This is figure 2c. This is the loop created by magnetic field. Then last one is the figure 2d, a current carrying coil that is called as solenoid. These are the solenoid. The current is moving in this direction. That is called as solenoid. It can produce the magnetic field. Current rotating fastly and produces magnetic field. In ferromagnetic substances like iron and in plasmas, magnetic forces can be understood by imagining that the field lines exerts a tension like rubber band along their length and a pressure perpendicular to their length on neighboring field lines. First one is unlike poles. Unlike poles of magnets attracts because they are linked by many field lines. And then second one is like poles repel because their field lines do not meet. They are pass directly but run parallel, pushing on each other. This is the magnetic field.